this is Nikita Datta and you're watching Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
We have this Nikita Datta performance in Kabir Singh is being loved by one and all. We'll talk about her performance and what the future holds for her. Play having you on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you so much. It's lovely to be here.
And how has life changed post June 21st for you?
Well, I should say it's been a very pleasant surprise.
Right.
A lot of good comments and compliments and appreciation has been coming in, which I'll be honest, I did not expect. That's why it's been an unexpected, pleasant surprise.
Do you find it interesting that the moment the film has come out and people are trying to find out what exactly you've been doing in the past? And because when you have that presence in the film, it seems like, yaar, ye to dekha hua hai. And is she from South? What exactly has she been up to? Did you get that response?
I have. Funnily, so any person that I'm meeting, they look at me and then they probably read about me or whatever, and they come to me and they're like, but you've been there for long. It's not that you've just suddenly come out of nowhere. Because I have been doing TV for 3 years. After that, Gol happened and then Kabir Singh happened. So also I think lots of times the film audience is not your TV audience. So there is your viewership is very different.
Right.
So probably because of that, even though you've done TV, a lot of people don't know you. So I think that's one factor why people are just like, okay, who is this suddenly who's come?
There's a substantial screen space that you're having with Shahid.
Yes.
That has been noticed. People are liking those portions as well. What sort of comments have been coming your way, and what is the best compliment that has come your way so far?
I think the best compliment is, which I did not believe, was before the screening when I was going in to watch the film and I met Sandeep sir and I met 2 other people with them, and they'd already watched the film, of course. So they told me that you're the best thing in the second half that's going to happen. Like, you just are the most vibrant thing. And I was just like, what are they trying to say? I didn't believe that I didn't get what they were trying to say. But when I watched the film, I was like, now that feels good. Now I get what they were trying to say. So I think that's by far the best compliment I've got, because it's from like the people themselves. So yeah, I think that was the best one. Apart from that, yes, of course, there are lots of people telling me good things about it. But I think that's something I remember because that was the first thing I got to hear.
The interesting part is that your performance is subtle. You're not trying to overdo anything, and that makes it so believable in a way as well.
Yeah.
And what was your approach when you were given this role?
So
what you can bring to the table?
There are 2 sides to it. There's a joke also that I had a fracture when I had gone and met Sandeep sir. And the film as well, I walk in with a knee injury.
Oh, that's
so the little joke inside was that because you had a fracture, that's why you got the role. But the true thing is that when I met Sandeep sir, he was just he spotted me in Lust Stories. I done a little cameo in Lust Stories, the Netflix film. That's where he'd spotted me, and I don't know what he had in mind. Generally, you cannot really say what the director is thinking, unless I think you ideally, when you watch the whole product together, is when you understand what space was he in, like what is he thinking about it. So I was also a little unsure that why does he think I'm going to fit into an actor's space. And the kind of person I am in front of the camera, I generally don't question too much and I surrender to what I'm being asked to do. I don't say that, oh, but is it going to look like that and all? Okay, this is what you need me to do. I will surrender to it and I'll do it. So that's exactly what I did. So I know for a fact when I came out of the film, and the first thing I told Sandeep sir is, I was like, I couldn't imagine it this way, but I'm so happy with how it's come out. So it's basically, I kind of took the lead from whatever he asked me to do.
It's a character, it's an actress. She has a lot of adulation, but she's finding maybe for true love. And she gets that from Kabir Singh. Not exactly, but she's hoping that she will in the longer run. The fact that he does not treat her as an actress, as a star, is something that maybe attracts her the most. Yeah, okay. And but still, how do you look at Kabir Singh as a character? So when he starts the conversation with you, when he comes to meet you on the film set, so the conversation is outrageous.
So, I'll tell you, there is something that we'll all probably relate to this in life, that there is this ideal image or a picture that we have in mind about how we want maybe our partner to be, our boyfriend to be, our husband to be, anybody, our friend to be. This is how I would want a friend in my life. This is how I want my boyfriend to be. But lots of times, I think most of the times, we tend to get attracted to something that's not there on the list at all. So in my head, I think that's similar to this girl. She is, of course, she's an actress. She probably will have actors around her. She'll have like the best of people around her. But what fascinates her in Kabir Singh is that there's something off with this guy. There's something that the guy is into himself and he's just so ruthless. I think that's what probably attracts her up towards him. So I think that happens with us also a lot of times in life. You know, we idolize a certain way that we would want things to be,
Right.
but we end up getting carried away towards something that's not anywhere close to the ideal thing that we've cooked in our head.
Okay. And then she's also ironing his clothes.
Yes, of course. And then that brings out the side of you that you've never imagined. You might not iron your clothes, but you're ironing his clothes.
So that's like the perfect romance. in a
Yes,
way.
that's what. Yeah. So
Okay.
I think that kind of brings out that side which you probably might not want others to see. So like you're so attracted and giving in that you're actually doing something like that.
Okay, and then finally she realizes that, okay, I think the movie is still running. So
Yes, I don't think we should like really give out
So many
every
things.
scene
Okay.
happening.
All right. But still, what she's looking for and what he's looking for, those are two different things altogether. As a character, can you forgive someone like him that maybe who's not been able to reciprocate your feelings?
As a character,
the actress is feeling, yeah, the
or
actress is
or
feeling,
as
the
me?
actress is feeling, yeah.
Actress is feeling. I don't think so. I think it's a little hurtful, but you have to kind of you can't forgive something like that, and you can't force somebody, right? So when the person walks out, you can't like on gunpoint say that come back. Then you and Kabir Singh are the same people,
Right.
so you let go.
Okay, and how has life changed in terms of recognition? Because it's a film that has raced past
Yes.
rupees 200 crore. People are
Yes.
loving it. All across the country, people are loving it. In the smaller centers, bigger centers. I'm sure that you must be a much more recognized face now as well.
Yes, surprisingly, because I have a habit of like I've been living very normally. I step out very normally. I don't like getting that recognized, and I think somewhere I enjoy that space where I can just step out in my pajamas, go down, get my groceries, come back. I like it that way. Now it's a little suddenly I'm like, okay, that's not what's coming. So that's been happening since Kabir Singh, which is of course a pleasant surprise again. Apart from that, a lot of people who I would not expect, because I have been on screen for so many years and people generally don't always comment, have come up, have watched the film. So in terms of again, the appreciation has been again surprising and not something that I thought would happen.
Shahid is having I think this wonderful journey that he's had for 15 years, 16 years to be more precise, and you're working with him for the first time. So how was that experience? Was he in a way intimidating, or did you find
Honestly,
it
no.
comfortable?
So, in fact, I generally don't get intimidated that easily. I think the only time I got a little intimidated was I was doing something for Star Sports and I saw Kapil Dev in front of me and I was just like, okay, I don't know what to tell him or ask him.
I'm sure.
So I'd got a little frozen then. That was when I recollect I got a little intimidated. But especially when you're in the workspace, I generally don't. Like for me, it's okay. He's just an actor I have to work with. Of course, Shahid was extremely nice and kind on my first day on set. He said, just chill around. And I remember towards the end, he actually told me that you're very poker face. I can never make out what you're thinking when you're sitting like that, because when I'm not in front of the camera, I just try to like be in myself. He's like, I can never understand. Are you happy or sad? What is happening? So yeah, so apart from that, I think with Shahid, it was a good equation. I didn't really get that. He didn't really throw that star vibe at all. Yeah.
Right, and I think it's been called one of his finest performances.
It is. In fact, when I walked out of the film, when I watched it myself for the first time, the first thing I was like, oh my God, Shahid, wow. Like that was something.
Have you seen it in a theatre?
Theatre, yes, of course. The screening, right? You're saying before, after you're talking about?
No, I'm saying in a movie theatre, like a regular theatre.
Oh, regular. No, I haven't done that.
I think you
haven't done
should.
that.
I think you should.
Yeah,
as
it's
soon as possible.
Yeah?
It's insane.
Oh my God.
It is
I should
insane.
probably just cover my face and go watch it.
I think you should, yeah.
Yeah.
That should be some experience. All right, and you were the host for IPL when Shahid came.
Yes.
And I think the world didn't know that you're part of that film.
Yes. They didn't want to reveal it back then. They told me that we won't be really putting it out there. Like, of course, it was in news and stuff, but it would have taken the whole idea away from the story. So they kept it that way, which is fair enough. It was just coincidental that I was hosting the pre-match show at that time when Shahid came in for promoting it.
Right.
In fact, a lot of things he told me, he's like, don't expect me to talk like Kabir Singh here. He's like, all the cricket fans are going to bat me out. But yeah, so that was purely coincidental.
You were acting over there as well.
I had to now keep up the spirit of the film.
Okay, so as you told me that you were part of Gold, you were opposite Sunny Kaushal, and it was a substantial role. But maybe you did not get that much response from that particular role.
Right. That's also, I think, because the film was more about the teams playing hockey during a particular time. So there was a way lot to concentrate on. Like there was the Pakistan and India partition happening. There was the whole struggle of playing happening, winning happening, independence struggle happening.
Right.
And then it was a multi-star cast. There were lots of people who were associated with the film.
Right.
So it's probably because of that of course, I remember even after Gold, there were a lot of people who came and told me that yours was like the most sweetest bit. Sunny and your chemistry was like amazing. I got to hear all of that a lot. But still, it's not something that catches your eye the first thing. You're more concentrating on the game, on what happens, how India wins. I think it's more about that.
Okay. And what sort of offers have started coming your way after this release?
There have been some really great offers. Good thing is that there have been, earlier you just get like everything. Now a little crisper version and better version has started coming. So
Which is wonderful.
yeah, which is wonderful, I'm saying. So that's good progress.
Okay, so what is your plan? Like movies, OTT platforms, television? What is it that?
So with television, I've had my share of doing it for 3 years. Again, I always say never. Not that I'm going to say that, I'm never going back to TV.
Right.
But as of now, I don't see myself going back there, at least as of now in this space. With digital, yes, there's some interesting things happening. And of course, I am looking at doing more films.
Rapid fire with Nikita Datta. If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
I think it'll be dal chawal.
Which dal?
Tur dal. Arhar ki dal is
Arhar
the
ki
North
dal.
Indian say.
That's
Yeah.
Arhar is the North
Arhar
Indian
ki
way
dal.
of saying it. What quote do you try to live by?
Be in the moment. That's not a quote, but that's always something I keep telling myself. I'm like an over planner. So in my head, I'm just like, just be in the moment, don't think.
First celebrity crush?
Hrithik Roshan.
Whose advice do you always listen to?
Should be mom. She's like my go-to person. Everything she says, I'm like, yeah, that's right.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
No, that's a farce.
An actor or director you would like to work with next?
That's it, because the list is very long. But I really hope to work with Shah Rukh Khan someday. I have like this little urge always for the longest time.
Okay, your zodiac sign?
Scorpio.
All-time favorite actor and favorite film?
All-time favorite actor, I mean, I'll have a lot of people judging me if I say my favorite film. It's Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. It's just a stress buster for me. I can watch it. I have to watch it once a week. I have everything on the tip of my tongue.
Okay. Describe the following people in one word, please. Shahid Kapoor.
He's very unpredictable. Like suddenly he's going to do something and you'll be like, oh my god, didn't expect that. Yeah.
Sandeep Venga.
Sunny. Very sweet. He's a darling.
Your favorite song from the movie?
It is Sonia. That's been on loop. I would have said Ye Aina, but then I would be lying. Ye Aina is number 2. First is Sonia.
What is the first thing you look up in a guy?
I think it's the way the guy talks. That is something I really fall for. Like, that's the first thing I fall for.
Ye ya wo, if you have to choose one. Okay, Instagram ya Twitter?
Twitter.
Yoga ya gym?
Gym.
iPhone ya Android?
iPhone, yeah.
Big party ya small gathering?
Small gathering.
Sneakers, your sandals.
Sneakers any day.
Most important thing in a partner, he must be intelligent or he must be funny.
That's a very tricky one. Very tricky
No,
one.
it's not tricky, it's the way you look at it.
I think intelligent.
Intelligent?
I'll take care of the funny bit then.
Okay, that's interesting.
I'll be a clown.
Yes or no, please. Are you a good cook?
No.
Are you waiting for your Mr. Perfect?
Is there a maybe option?
It's your call.
No.
It's your call. It's your call.
Maybe. I'm not sure
Maybe.
myself. That's how indecisive in my head I am.
Acha. Have you ever stalked a hot guy in your college?
Yes. Funny thing is that hot guy who's my senior is one of my best friends now.
Have you ever been stalked by a hot guy in your college?
No, never a hot guy, but I've been stalked a lot.
You have been stalked a lot?
Yeah.
Okay. If a guy dates his girlfriend's twin sister, would that be called cheating?
If a guy dates his girlfriend's twin sister, of course.
Okay.
Sorry, I was processing that.
All right, so Nikita Datta, wonderful to have you on Ballroom Ama.
Thank you
and
so
congratulations for the wonderful response that
Thank
you've been
you,
getting.
thank you.
And we're sure that you'll be going from strength to strength from here on. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's been lovely. Thanks a lot.
That's all we have from Ballroom Ama. Keep on watching.
Hi guys, this is Nikita Datta and you're watching Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.